Hello. Today, I want to show you a special kind of drink that I make to start my mornings with. What you're going to need is some dark chocolate that's at least 72% cacao, and some green tea, and some any kind of milk you choose. I usually go with almond milk, and water, and some kind of device which you can brew with. And these are all very much, this is very much optional. So now what you're going to want to do is fill up your brewer with the max level of water that it can take. Mine usually takes about 14 ounces. There we go. And close that. And now we're going to want to get this all set up. It's a little hard to do with one hand, actually. Then we're going to put our tea in there. Fun fact, this is actually really delicious with like marshmallows or parsley. Then we're going to put... Oh, hey, look at that. Put that in there. Put that under... Actually, let's put in some of our cacao. A little more than that. You know, let's add just a brick or two more. One more. Then we're going to let that brew, and this takes a little bit, so I reckon I'm going to be right back in a bit. And do tell me, how y'all doing? How's life treating you? I'm not sure whether this is going to be in the video or not. I just might edit it out. But I figured, oh, listen to that. It's starting to brew. I figured I'd just talk with y'all, you know, get to know you all a bit more. Be sure to leave your feelings and such in the comment section. Let me know how things are in life. The good, the bad, and anything in between. As I wait for my delicious brew to finally brew. By the way, here's a quick shout out to Hamilton Beach Flex Brew. It's a real good brewer for coffee, for tea, for cocoa. I just put myself a hot cocoa mix in there. And also, here is a bit of a commercial shout out to Simple Truth Organic Dark Chocolate. This is actually a pretty tasty quality kind of chocolate out there. And also, doctors highly recommend having dark chocolate every single day, at least 72% cacao. Me, I've just gone up to 90%, and I can very well handle 85% cacao. Oh, listen to that. It's starting to brew. Gonna get that sweet, delicious nectar. Just listen to that thing go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the way, here's a little fact on the reason why I'm using green tea specifically. It's because green tea is said to be a very, very healthy kind of energizer. Just one of those kind of things that can get you fueled for the majority of the day. And it's also a really good alternative to those who don't like coffee. It's almost done. Yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay, I'm so excited. Look at all my spices and coffee pods back there, by the way. By the way, those coffee pods aren't really for me. I just mostly drink the hot chocolate ones. But that's neither here nor there, because here is my special mix. Gonna put that on top of there. And now gonna put in a little bit, hold on. Maybe it'd be better if I use my right hand. Having a bit of a hard. So, there we go. Gonna shake that up a little. Highly recommended. Got it. And now, I'm gonna put a little bit of that in. And I love these kind of cups, by the way, these special mixing kind of cups. And what's great about putting the dark chocolate in as the hot water comes in is that it pretty much, dagnabbit. Hold on. As I was saying, what's great about putting the chocolate in as the water brews is that it pretty much melts away. So you're very much able to get it nice and melty and delicious all from the start. And there you have it. It's a mix of dark chocolate. Whoops. No need for you to see my sink. There you have it. A mixture of dark chocolate, green tea, and milk chocolate, and hot cocoa. That's what I meant when I said milk chocolate. And a little bit of almond milk. It's real good. It's delicious. Feel free to say otherwise. But if you do like it, be sure to let me know. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Peace, love, and understanding. And follow the crow-winged black cat. Bye. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. YouTube revenue!